When your roof leaks, curls, or loses shingles in Carlisle, Pennsylvania, All Pro Roofing Service Carlisle, Pennsylvania responds quickly with assessments, quality materials, and skilled repairs that protect your home and budget. From small storm damage to more serious structural issues, we locate the source, explain your options clearly, and complete repairs with minimal disruption. Local to Carlisle, we respect your property, communicate reliably, and stand behind every roof repair we perform. Contact us today for a free consultation and let us help you enhance your home. Are you looking for a roof repair service near me? You can stop looking. You found All Pro Roofing Service Carlisle, Pennsylvania. How do I know if my roof needs repair? Signs your roof needs repair include leaks, missing shingles, sagging areas, granules in gutters, or ceiling stains. A professional inspection can identify hidden damage before costly structural problems develop. Do you provide emergency roof repair services? Yes, we provide emergency roof repair services after storm damage, severe leaks, or sudden structural issues. Our team responds quickly to secure your roof and prevent further interior water damage. What is the service area for your Carlisle, Pennsylvania location? Our roof repair service has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Carlisle, Peach Glen, Shippensburg, Gardners, Walnut Bottom, Dillsburg, Mount Holly Springs, Boiling Springs, Grantham, Newville, Mechanicsburg, Plainfield, New Kingstown, Camp Hill, Anola, Summerdale, Blosserville, Schlosser, Wirtsville, and Cumberland County, Pennsylvania. Where is your Carlisle, Pennsylvania roof repair service office located? We are located at 417 Walnut Street, Carlisle, Pennsylvania 17013. Our phone number is 717-993-1409. Visit our website, aproofer.com/Carlisle-PA.